Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly, my lovely friends, you can see in this video I am providing you beautiful and trendy, gorgeous, amazing shimmer nail art ideas. So friends, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. All of these designs are easy to apply, stunning and unique and beautiful. I hope you all love these type of shimmer styles ideas for your nail paints. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful ideas. I really hope that they will love these amazing shimmery collection for your nails. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors collection. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these beautiful designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay friends, see you soon. Goodbye, take care and Allah Hafiz.